Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make green coriander powder using an easy method. This homemade spice is incredibly versatile, adding a burst of fresh, aromatic flavor to your cooking. Forget store-bought versions. Making it yourself ensures maximum freshness and a beautiful, vibrant green color. We'll go through each step, from preparing the fresh leaves to grinding and storing your finished powder, ensuring a perfect result every time. Let's get started. First, choose about 2 to 3 large bunches of fresh, bright green coriander. Look for leaves that are crisp and free from any yellowing. Next, wash the coriander very well under cool, running water to remove any soil or impurities. This step is crucial for a clean final product. After washing, gently pat the coriander completely dry with a clean kitchen towel or use a salad spinner. Ensuring it is thoroughly dry prevents mold during the drying process. Once your coriander is perfectly dry, spread the leaves out in a single layer on a large baking sheet or a clean, dry cloth. You can air dry them in a well-ventilated room away from direct sunlight. This usually takes about 2 to 3 days until the leaves are completely crisp and crumble easily. For a quicker method, use a food dehydrator set to 100 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 6 hours, or a very low oven setting with the door slightly ajar. After the coriander leaves are completely dry and brittle, gently crush them by hand into smaller pieces. Then, transfer these crushed leaves to a clean spice grinder or a small coffee grinder. Pulse until you achieve a fine, consistent powder. Avoid overgrinding, which can release oils and make it clumpy. Store your beautiful, vibrant green coriander powder in an airtight container, like a glass jar, in a cool, dark place. It will retain its fresh flavor for up to 6 months.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.